Here is the Sonoma Twill Pant. Here is the pant, the Twill Pant, A grade product from Bangladesh, stock product, A grade stock product. I'll show you the product. This is the main level, Sonoma, goods for life. This is the size, 30 to 34, the fitting, and here is the rubber belt, and here is the solid button, and this is the YKK zipper, and here is the small pocket, and this is the cross pocket. Here's another cross pocket. So this is the back part. Here's also solid button. Here is the quality. The quality is very nice, product quality, and fabric is also very nice. And this is stitch product. Stitch. The fabrication is 98% cotton and 2% is spandex. So very nice product. So if anyone need this product, please contact us. Here's the details, factory card, the all details. I can show you all details. This is the brand, famous brand. That's why factory card the everything, care level, RN number, everything. So the original product, and this is the trick how to identify original product. Okay guys, keep watching my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.